Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have a hug in a box. It came yesterday, and I'm excited to open it. I scored the top so that I was cutting so carefully, and I didn't want you to have to wait. This is from little Ohana's Dolly World. She has the cutest channel. She has Reborns, Blythe dolls, American Girls, and a few other dolls. It's a fun channel. We'll leave a link below, and you can go by and take a look and subscribe to her channel too. So let's pull this out. How cute is this? Winter Wishes, but I knew it had something in it because I could feel it. There's a little gift in here. Thank you for your friendship. Here's a little something handmade. I love handmade items. For your Blythe, a bracelet, Erica. Thank you so much. This is just so fun. Now let me open this ever so carefully. Oh, I like this paper. It's a lot like the kind that I use. I love shiny things. Ellie Nefret says we're magpies, that we like the oh, I want to be so careful. Let me go easy here. Get this open. See, aren't you glad I did the envelope off camera? I just want to be careful. I know it takes a minute, but okay, here we go. Oh, isn't that cute? Wait, I have Bluebird here. She's all dressed for Christmas. Thank you, Erica. That is adorable. Here, she'll wave with this hand now because, you know, like the Queen, she's got a jeweled bracelet to show off. Thank you so much. That is so fun. Thank you for the card. I really appreciate it. Please go by and visit Little Ohana's Dolly World. The link will be below. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.
To both.